There are many ways we can apply artificial intelligence in public relations. And there are several types of applications. For example, computer vision, natural language processing, recommendation systems, prediction, and valuation algorithms. Let's take computer vision, for example. We can use these techniques to recognize brand logos and also the products within images and television shows or streams. We could also determine what the sentiment is of such image, whether they were positive or negative. We have dozens of data pipelines that continuously feed media data into Hypefactors systems. We crawl the web, we get Facebook posts, tweets, Instagram shots, YouTube videos, newspaper articles, reviews in magazines, and much more. Clusters of machines in the cloud are needed to process this data and turn it into PR information for our clients. We apply AI to discover and identify new media sources automatically. These algorithms are custom built by us and tailored for specific use cases within public relations. Our clients' unique needs and what they want and what they expect will drive and motivate the next leaps in AI, big data, and technology. And just what Google did with search, and then afterward make big leaps in big data and AI, we will do the same with PR.